Okay, so what we've done over the break is we have traced out all of the tributaries that dump into the Warren Creek. Okay, so you can see the smaller lines are those traces. Now, how does that help us? Well, what that does literally is it traces back to the high points. Okay, does that make sense to you guys why it would?
Yes.
Because as a river goes back, it obviously flows downhill. So as the river begins to peter out, that means that we're reaching close to the top of the hill. Okay, so after we've done this, we want to look to see where those high points are that connect. As Danielle said earlier, one thing we can do is look for roads. And if I could get the camera to zoom in a little bit, what you'll see is that all of these streams do actually come up to this one road. So it would make sense then that this is probably one part of the divide, of the drainage divide. So we'll go ahead and draw a line there, like that. And we can see that, we'll test it in a minute to see if wall water that falls in there will then drain into the creek. As we go from here, what we want to do is be able to follow high points. So we don't want water that is going to fall into this creek because that's not where we're trying to divide from. What we do want is water that falls into here. So if we go right to the mouth of it, we're going to go something like that. And then if we go to the other side, we'll do the same thing. And again, follow up. Something like that. So in 1 second, we'll take a closer look and test some areas to see if we have any adjustments we need to make.